What's up, guys? Off to my first job of the day. This one I'm gonna record especially because it's gonna be an interesting job. All I know over the phone that 2 bottles of red wine broke on some white carpet, so that should be fun. So, you know, I did let the customer know that I'll do my regular clean process. If it doesn't disappear, you know, then I have to bring out the steamer, you know, and steam the rest of it out. Then it'll be extra. But for right now, I just charge her my minimum because it's going to be 1 room, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I also run my flood extraction tool too. So if I feel like I need to actually do some pull some stuff out of the pad and all that stuff, then I got that too, but I'll evaluate that when we get there. I just realized I have my glasses on, and hey, when your cool sun shines on you 24 hours a day, I guess. See when we get there. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step that can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Alright, so it wasn't white carpet, so that's good, and wasn't as much as I thought either, but you can definitely see the staining. She only wants in that area and around her furniture done, so I'm just going to kind of go around. I'm going to do as much of the carpet as I see. She doesn't want to do any of the rest of it, doesn't care about it, okay? I did offer to do the whole room for her, but she's more concerned about the wine and some traffic areas. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. Stay tuned. So this is where the main spill was, and he kind of tried to get it out of here and dripped on his way out. So. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. I'm gonna boost my pre-spray with this. I did treat it, but I'm gonna actually do kind of a peroxide booster to the pre-spray. Spray that area really good, let it dwell for a little bit, and extract and see how that works. Okay, so I'm not going to be using the water cloud. I don't think I need to. So I did boosted pre-spray, plus I treated the initial spot treatment with 20 volume peroxide, which took care of most of it. Then I boosted it with peroxide product, Go Oxy with my carpet details. And so number one thing, guys, is I made sure it wasn't wool. You know, there's different ways to test it, pulling a fiber, burning it, or just taking a wool safe product and spraying it in an area. You get on your hands and knees and smell. If it smells like wet dog, you know it's wool. So you don't want to use any peroxide for that. All right, guys, that's it. So wine, not a problem. 20 volume peroxide in small areas usually takes care of it. Even 40 volume peroxide, you can get both those from Sally's Beauty Supply. DIY, do-it-yourself stuff. And for the big problems, if you're taking my course, and you kind of know what products I recommend to keep on your van to kind of cover everything. And so yeah, I boosted it and came out amazing. Customers were super happy, gave me a tip, and yeah, all worked out for the best. I told them if anything kind of pops back up, all it is give me a call, and I'll do like a post spray with some 20 volume. Because if anything's in the pad and kind of wants to wick back up, that's all you got to do. So I just come through here, spray it, and it'd be done, and they won't have to worry about it no more. But I doubt that's gonna happen. But always, you know, communicating with my customers and let them know the possibilities and what to expect, and kind of set them up for the grand finale, you know. All right, we'll see you in the next one.